Hello viewers, this is your host Shiraz Ahmad Khan. Viewers, in today's video, we are going to explore the clipboard and editing group or section of the home tab. And for that purpose, first of all, pause this video and download the file, and its link is given under the video because we are going to experiment all of these contents in that newly downloaded file. And the name of the file is practice 2. Along with this, after downloading the file, store it in the same folder where we have been working since the start of these videos, MS Word folder. So I'm going to open this PC with the help of shortcut key, that is Windows and E. Go to the D drive, MS Word folder, and here I have downloaded that file with the name practice-2. Double click this file to open it. So here we have that file in front of our screens. Viewers, will start from the cut, copy and paste options, and they all are available in the clipboard group or section. Before we start the formal proceedings of today's video, first of all, let's understand that what is clipboard. Clipboard is a special area in our computer system. We need not to understand it more than this, that it's an area that whatever we copy, whether it's an image, it's a table, it's a folder, it's a file, it's a software, whatever we copy, it goes to the clipboard, the special area of the computer system. And when we paste it somewhere, computer basically copies it from the clipboard to that particular place. One more thing, that cut and copy, they both are different, but they are dependent on to paste. Similarly, the vice versa is true, that paste is incomplete without cut or copy. I mean to say that if something is copied by you or something is cut by you, and if you are not pasting it, so it means the complete procedure, it's something is missing in that. There are two steps in it: copying the contents first and pasting the contents somewhere. The difference between cut and copy is that cut means to move something. By something we mean it could be a single word, a character, it could be a folder, it could be a file. So cut means moving something from one place to another place, from source to the destination. And copy means to get the replica of the copied stuff somewhere else. Means after copy and paste, you will be having two copies of the same thing. And cut and paste, after doing this, you will be having only one copy of that thing or object in the destination point. It will be removed from the source point and it will be moved to the destination point. Let's learn these, and let's learn these along with the shortcut keys as well. And once again, do not forget to select that thing or object, the text or image or table, before copying or before cutting that. So for example, let's select the word students, the very first word of this document, and copy it with the help of this option, or press the shortcut key, that is Control C. If you press Control C, apparently you won't see any changes in the document, and apparently you won't see any dialog box, any window, but something has happened behind the scenes. What is that? That the word students, it's copied from your document and it's sent to the clipboard by the computer. Now move the cursor somewhere else where you want to paste it. For example, if we are placing the cursor at the end of the first paragraph of this document and we want to paste it here, you can paste it here with the help of this paste option by clicking this icon instead of clicking this drop down arrow, or you can press the shortcut key of paste, and that is Control V. So if you press Control V, this is what we have got. That student's word, it's now appearing twice. It's not moved, it's not removed, it's not deleted from the source point, and it's appearing at the destination point as well after pasting it. Viewers, one more very important shortcut key, because we are now heading towards the professional skills. One shortcut key that is required, and that is, I must say, the one of the frequently used shortcut key, and it is Control Z. Control Z is basically for undo, means whatever is done by you, it will be undone by the computer system. For example, if recently you typed a word, and if you undo it, that word will be removed. Similarly, if something is mistakenly deleted by you, and if you undo it with the help of shortcut key, that is Control Z, it will start appearing after undoing it at the same point after undoing that. So now I am undoing it, this whole process, by pressing the shortcut key, that is Control Z. Look, our last action was that we pasted the word at this point, and after undoing it, the word is removed from the document. So copy and paste is done. Now let's see the impact of cut. Once again, go back and select this word students, and this time, instead of copying, we are cutting it. You can cut it with the help of this cut icon in the clipboard group of the home tab, or you can press the shortcut key of cut, that is Control X. Once Control X is pressed, you can now see the changes. Students word, it's removed from the document. Apparently it looks like that we have deleted this word, but it's not the case actually. This word is removed from the document, from the source point to the clipboard, the special area of the computer system. Now again, place the cursor at the end of the first paragraph and paste it here by pressing the shortcut key or by using the paste icon given in the clipboard group or section, and the shortcut key is Control V. So we have seen the difference between cut and copy. Paste remains, and its behavior remains the same for both, because paste simply copies something from the clipboard, and in the case of cut and copy, in the case of cut, the selected object will be moved from the document to the clipboard, and in the case of copy, the selected object, its copy will be created and it will be shifted, it will be copied to the clipboard. So viewers, that's all for the cut, copy and paste. Next we have the option with us, it is Format Painter. Viewers, Format Painter, it's the action that is associated with this option is a bit identical with the action that is associated with copy, but different in just a single way. What is that way? Format Painter actually is used to copy the not the contents, but Format Painter copies the formatting of the selected object, and it will brush or paste the formatting of the selected object to the destination object. For example, currently the word student is selected. Let's make it bold, italic and underline, and let's change its color as well. Now you can clearly see that the formatting of the student's word is totally different from rest of the document. If we are interested to apply this formatting onto any other word of this document, there are two methods. One method is simple. Select that word, make it bold, make it italic, make it underline, and apply the red color onto it. This way, you'll have to, there are two issues with it. One issue is it's a bit lengthier process, and secondly, you will have to remember that what is the formatting of the first word students, it should tally, it should be exactly the same for the second occurrence of the same word. So two problems are there. Let's resolve these issues with the help of Format Painter icon. Click inside the word students first. It's bold, it's italic, in underline, and its color is red as well. Now click the Format Painter option, this icon from the clipboard, or press the shortcut key of the Format Painter, and the shortcut key is Shift, Control, and C. I'm pressing the shortcut key, Shift, Control, and C. Once again, apparently nothing happened, but the formatting of this word is copied and it's saved in the clipboard. Now select the second word or place the cursor inside that particular word. One more thing, viewers, I'm just focusing on to the single words only, but it's true, it's applicable for the whole line, for the whole paragraph, or even for the whole document. You can copy paste, you can cut paste, you can apply the format painter action to a single word or more than one words or headings, titles, tables, images. It's true for whatever is selected. Currently, we are just focusing on the selection of a single word. So now the cursor is placed inside the second occurrence of the word students, and now again press the shortcut key of Format Painter, and it's Shift, Control, and V and C. Its color is changed, and the word students second occurrence, it's bold, it's italic, and it's underlined as well. So we have successfully applied the formatting of one word onto another word by using the shortcut keys for the Format Painter. Now let's see that how can we achieve the same with the help of this option. I have just undone the last action. Place the cursor inside it, the first occurrence of the word students, click the Format Painter option, and when you bring the mouse pointer into the text editor, automatically the shape of the mouse pointer is changed from arrow to the brush. Now click inside this word if you want to apply this formatting onto a single word, and if you want to apply this formatting onto the complete heading, you can brush it by clicking before this line and dragging it rightwards at the end of the, hold down the mouse left button and release it at the point. Look, the complete heading, the first subtitle, it's the formatting of the word students is it's applied onto the complete subtitle. So viewers, so far we have completed successfully the clipboard group or section of the home tab. Now let's proceed further, and before proceeding further, let me undo everything. One more thing I would like to add into your knowledge is that you can undo not one time only, but you can keep pressing undo many times to undone the last few actions. Like I'm pressing Control Z once, again Control Z, again Control Z, Control Z, and Control Z. So repeat, you can repeatedly uh, press this shortcut key to undone or undo the last few actions. So next we have the last editing tab with us, and first of all let's see the last option of it, that is select. Because we have learned how to select the text with the help of shortcut keys and with the help of mouse as well. There is another shortcut key that is important as well, and the shortcut key is to select everything in our document. Whatever our document contains, it can be selected, whether it contains hundreds of pages, many images, tables, charts, whatever it has, it can be selected by pressing the shortcut key, and that is Control A. Control A means select all. Select everything, whatever is in our document. So let's see its impact. I'm pressing Control A. We have 2 pages in our document, and look, if you scroll downwards with the help of mouse wheel, you can observe that by pressing that shortcut key, everything in the document is selected. So this is where we have this select all option in the select drop down list. Select is there, and select all, the very first option of that. And Control A is the shortcut key to select all. Now place the cursor at the start of the first paragraph, and now let's explore few more options. As viewers, we have 2 more options with us: find and replace. They are useful in a context that find means if you are interested to find something from your document. Like if your document, it has many pages and it's difficult for you to find something particular from your document, and you might have forgotten that where did you type it last time. So you can find that particular word, a phrase, or more than one words with the help of find option. Find option is available in the editing tab of the editing group of the home tab. If you click this drop down arrow, it will pop down the options, and the find is the very first option, and the shortcut key for finding something is Control F. You can press Control F or click this find drop down arrow and the find option from the editing group or section of the home tab. So let's click it. Just after clicking it, instead of any dialog box or window, the left pan is appearing, and the name of this pan is navigation pan, and it's showing us the cursor inside a text box to find something. So let's find the word students. Because we placed the cursor at the start of the document, now just after typing the word students, it's highlighting all the occurrences of the word students. Wherever it's occurring in our document, all of its occurrences are highlighted by Microsoft Word. So this is, viewers, to find something from our document. You can find the complete phrase or a single word. For example, let's replace it with are most. So are most, these 2 words, the first occurrence, and nowhere else we have the occurrence of these 2 words together. So this is the way to find something from your document. Now let's close. You can close this navigation pan anytime by clicking this close or exit button. Next we have replace option. Replace option is used, and the shortcut key for replace option is Control H, and replace option is used to replace a single word or more than one words or a phrase with any other word or words or phrases. And before doing that, once again place the cursor at the start of the first paragraph of your document and click the replace option, and its shortcut key, as I have already told you, it's Control H. If you press Control H, automatically you will see the find and replace dialog box in front of you. Drag it upwards so that we can clearly see its impact in our document. Now we have 2 options with us. In the case of find what, we had only one option, that is what we want to find, and now 2 text boxes are there: find what and replace with. So let's replace the word students with children. After typing these 2 words, actually what is our intention? Our intention is that we are directing Microsoft Word to find the word students from the document and replace it with the word children. Now let's focus onto these buttons. In the case of find next, we are actually directing Excel to find the next occurrence of this word. Let's see its impact. I'm clicking find next. Look, the first occurrence of the word students is found by Microsoft Word, and now we have 2 options with us. We can replace this occurrence, or we can skip this occurrence by clicking find next again. Let's click find next again. Now the next occurrence of the word students is highlighted, and the previous occurrence, it remains the same. That is, the students word is still appearing there. Let's click the find next option again. Now we are taken to the third occurrence of the word students, and this time this is the point that we want to replace it with the word children. So now we have the option, we have the replace button with us. Click it once. Look, the word children is appearing there instead of that word students, and the cursor is shifted to the fourth occurrence of the word students as well. If you want to replace it as well, again click the replace button, and if you want to skip it, and if you want to move to find the next occurrence of the word, you can click the find next button, and or you can click the replace button. The basic difference between these two is that find next means that we do not want to replace this particular occurrence of the word, and we want to find the next occurrence. And the button replace means that the occurrence that is found at the moment, we want to replace it with the new word. And the last option in this regard is replace all. This actually means that we want to replace the occurrence of the word anywhere in our document with the new word. Suppose, let's click it, replace all. Look, all done, and we made 13 replacements. It actually means that the word students is found, it's occurring 13 times in our document, and all of these occurrences are replaced with the word children by Microsoft Word. Finally, click the OK button and close this find and replace dialog box as well. Now you can see clearly that previously we had the word students with us, and our document, it was starting from the word students, and now it's starting from the word children, because we have replaced all occurrences of the word students with the word children. So viewers, today we learned different things. We learned the clipboard group, and we learned the options given in the editing group of the home tab. Do not forget to subscribe the channel, and do not forget to like this video as well. Goodbye.